Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today I'm going to show you how I use lactic acid to peel my lips. Now this helps get rid of the dead skin and leaves room for the new, younger looking skin on the lips. It makes your lipstick look good on you. It prevents dry lips and cracked lips. And this also helps if you have hyperpigmentation on your lips. Also, if you're a smoker and due to this you have, dark lips, you can treat it using this. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So to start, I'm gonna clean my lips. This is gonna make sure you don't have any dirt or anything on your lips which might react with the acid. You have to be gentle though, you don't have to irritate it. Next, I'm gonna come in with my lactic acid. Now this is the lactic acid I got from Amazon and is an 80% concentration. So I'm gonna pour just a little bit because I'm gonna use it only for my lips. Now using a cotton bud, I'm gonna put it in and apply it on my lips gently. I'm gonna start from my upper lip, because it's a little bit tougher as compared to the lower lip. Just do it like you're applying your lipstick. You should keep your mouth closed. Now afterwards, I'm gonna leave it on my lips for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're gonna feel your lips, burning. So it's after 5 minutes, and as you can see, my lips are burning, so I'll just, wash it off with, cool water. And I'm just gonna dab a towel on it to, dry it. So as you can see, my lips, look irritated. And I'm gonna come in with my lip balm. You would have to do this very gently too. And that is it. You just leave it alone till it peels off. So as you can see, this is about 2 hours after that application, and as you can see, my lips look a little bit swollen. So this is 24 hours afterwards, and as you can see, it looks it still looks swollen. So it's been after 2 days, and as you can see, it's getting darker. And it is very dry even though I put the lip balm on it. So this is the 4th day, and as you can see, it is peeling off. I am really tempted to peel it with my hands, but no, I don't want to do that. You would have to allow it to naturally fall off. So this is about day 5, and as you can see, my lips are getting back to normal. Almost done with all the dry skin. But as you can see, my lips are still, a little bit dry, and I would have to come in with more and more of the lip balm. And I must warn you, if you do this, you cannot kiss anybody. I mean, you can, but your lips are so dry and they are peeling off, so you wouldn't want to kiss anybody. And I'll also recommend you use, only, a natural lip balm instead of your lipstick. And I'll also advise you use a lip balm only instead of a lipstick. Or you can even put some coconut oil or some shea butter on your lips. So this is it, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. So don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.